In the afternoon of May 22nd, the Standing Board of Kansas City's Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee organized the conference to instruct the solicitation of pre-market conference opinions from voters who live in the same residence as nominees of Kansas City People's Council for 2021-2026 term. Representative leaders of offices, organizations, and units which introduced nominees attended the conference.
The delegates attending the function were instructed on conference organization, like conference participants and contents. Accordingly, the Permanent Board of Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee at commune level coordinates with the People's Committee at the same level to summon and chair the conference. Head of the Front Task Board will coordinate with the head of the hamlet or the area to invite voters participating in the conference. Those who have voters' opinions collected are candidates and self-nominated candidates in the elections of deputies to the 15th National Assembly and People's Council at all levels, term 2021-2026, held at the usual residence of the candidates. The time for organizing the conference for voters' opinions collection at place of residence for candidates for the 15th National Assembly and People's Council at all levels, term 2021-2026 deputy post, is from March 21st to April 13th.